Do you not know how to create countdown timer? All you need is to know one expression. We are at text that will represent our time. We can center it. Just add a slider controller. And now we add the magic expression. Would you know how to do that? Don't worry, you don't have to write it. Expression is in description and comments. The first line of code is responsible for retrieving the slider value and using madrad to run the number. The second line calculated how many seconds are in the slider value. It calculates the remainder from dividing by 60. So for example, if we have a value of 125 and divide by 60, we will have 2 minutes and 5 seconds. This line of code is responsible for minutes. Math flow runs the result of number down. We define a function that adds a 0 before a number, if it is less than 10. It combines the two values, minutes and seconds, with each of the parameters passed to the add0 function to add a 0 if the number is less than 10 and the value is combined with a colon. Now all you have to do is create animation using a slider, where we enter the value in seconds. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like this video.